I'm Steve Sweigart. I'm a criminal lawyer based out of Riverside County, California. Robbery. Robbery. Robberies can be interesting from your standpoint. First off, the easy one. You take a gun, you go in and rob a bank. That's an easy one. And a robbery essentially is forcibly taking something from another. You can also have it through fear, but oftentimes it's the forcible taking. And you can have a robbery in circumstances where you wouldn't even think intuitively that it's a robbery. For example, I had a client one time took an Xbox from somebody, like took it out of their possession, and they got charged with a robbery in the case, which is a strike offense, prison eligible, really messes up your record and looks horrible on job applications. And so you can have a situation where something occurs, you take the phone out of someone's hand, you can get charged with a robbery for something like that. It's ridiculous, you'd think, but the charge itself is super serious and it's quite technical. You could be guilty of a robbery and not even realize it. The other circumstance in which you get robberies happen, or charged actually, where it just doesn't seem right, and that is shoplifting cases. People are most surprised in that type of instance. Someone's in a store, they may or may not have shoplifted, but security thinks they did. And depending upon who the security person or people are at that particular location, they can come up to the person that they think did the petty theft, and they grab a hold of the person's arm and say, hey, we need you to come with us. And oftentimes, a natural human reaction to having someone grab your arm when you're not expecting it is to break free. Don't touch me. Now, in the shoplifting context, you may have a robbery that gets charged. Pursuant to a California case, call it an Estes robbery, E-S-T-E-S. And you can have something that is just a petty theft, but it comes with a felony robbery charge. So if you're charged with robbery, one of the first things I'm gonna wanna know, and that we're gonna need to investigate, is what is the evidence? Is the evidence just some person saying that you took something forcibly from them or used fear to take it? Or is it on video? Were there witnesses? How many witnesses? And in robbery cases, oftentimes the suspect or the person that's charged has no idea whether or not there are video recorders around. Sometimes you can have things that happen in the street, and various houses may have security cameras. There's all kinds of ways in which the case is more than just one person's word against another person's word. And so we need to find out what is the nature of the evidence against you for the robbery. If you're being charged with a robbery, give myself or some other qualified criminal defense attorney a call. You can reach me and my office at 951-777-1111.